short cycle.
There you go. Okay.
Ready?
All right. So
Yes.
yeah, let's start heading back to Van Nuys. So you'll say 28 Tango's on the go, runway 12, like a right downwind departure to Van Nuys.
28 Tango's on the go with like a right wind departure for Van Nuys.
28 Tango, roger, right downwind departure approved.
Right downwind departure approved. 28 Tango.
Okay. All right, then I'll have you change frequencies and everything.
Okay.
So we'll get our ATIS first.
1A from my 12 clear line. Clear to land, runway 12.
Start our right turn. Little right pedal for your trim. And then we're going to turn about halfway between where we are now and the 5 freeway. So we're going to avoid a little chunk of Burbank's airspace.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start our right turn now. And then 12755 for the ATIS.
Okay. We'll do it. Just get things situated.
Okay. Not yet, not yet. We're still on with White Tower. We gotta wait for him to give us a frequency change.
Right, right.
Okay, you can request a frequency change for Van Nuys.
28 Tango requesting frequency change.
Change approved.
28 Tango approved.
Okay, now you can switch it over. We'll start heading toward the interchange there.
Airborne information Tango 1451 observation. Wind variable at 4.
119.0 put in.
Ceiling 1000 broken. Temperature 20, 2.17. Altimeter 29 and 90. ILS runway 16 right approach in use. Landing and departing runways 16. Notice to airmen. ILS auto marker out of service. Noise abatement procedures are in effect. Advise on initial contact. You have information Tango.
Information is Tango.
Okay, we have Tango. So Van Nuys Tower, 2128 Tango's at the, see, this is the 5 and the 118.
Van Nuys Tower, helicopter 2128 Tango.
Helicopter 2128 Tango, Van Nuys stop.
28 Tango's at the 5, the 118 with Alpha.
Helicopter 28 Tango inbound to rotorcraft support or just transitioning?
Group 3, please.
Helicopter 28 Tango, make a Balboa arrival port Greek Church.
Balboa arrival, report at the Greek Church. Thank you.
Make sure you always repeat your tail number. Let's come up to 1600. Okay, so now we're going to follow the 118.
Okay.
So normally they would give us a stag, you know, if we requested it. Typically, if we don't request stag, they're going to give us Balboa.
Right.
Stag is more work for the tower, so they usually don't like to offer it.
It would seem easier.
Yeah, they've got to actually get clearance from ground control to let us cross the airport, and they also have to get clearance from the operators of both the runways.
Wow. I thought it was just like go.
Yeah, no, not so much.
Okay, I have the airport in sight, and I know where the Greek Church is.
Okay.
So right now, we should be looking to the right for possible traffic.
Right, yeah, and we'll stay at this 1600. We don't want to go any higher. Below that's a little dangerous because there's big sets of power lines that follow the 118. We're actually going to go out closer to where the 118 turns out that way.
Okay. Are we going to cut straight or follow the road?
You mean for Balboa?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to follow the road. So that is the procedure.
It's follow the freeway.
Oh yeah, for now we're going to, which just keeps us further away from the airport, which means the airplanes are going to be higher.
Okay.
Okay,
now you see, I would have cut straight across. That's wrong?
It would probably be all right.
Oh.
I just figure if we get a little bit further out here, it keeps us below the...
You're right. The reason I asked is I hadn't heard, like, hey, follow the freeway and then execute your turn.
Yeah, they didn't say anything like that. They just said make Balboa.
Okay.
So,
All right, let me increase my speed and maintain 1600.
yeah, so we can start to turn now.
Okay.
Be fine.
All right.
Okay, this is Balboa here.
Execute my turn now.
You are clear left.
Okay. I have the Greek church in sight.
Okay. And we can start coming down now. We're going to shoot for 1300 here pretty quick.
Okay.
Trying to see a friend's house that's right over there.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, 1300. Two-way tangos over the Greek church.
Helicopter 2-way Tango, taxiway Alpha Southwest corner, cleared to land.
Taxiway Alpha Corner, cleared to land. Two-way tango.
Turning into a nice day.
It
I think it's
did.
supposed to cool down a little bit now.
Yeah. 110. I guess you experienced the 110 since you live out here?
Yeah, that was fun.
Were you able to run your air conditioner, or is it too expensive?
At my house?
Yeah, I can't run mine too often. It's too expensive.
Yeah, ours is going pretty much all day.
Oh, wow.
We've got a fairly new unit. It's pretty efficient. You know, so it runs from probably noon to 5 or 6 every day. And our electric bill is like $150 a month.
Oh, wow, that's reasonable.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good because our house is small enough and not very well insulated. It gets really hot in there if it's not going.
It's okay for me to be at this altitude out here, right?
Yeah, we should hold 13, but...
Oh, we should, okay.
Yeah, it's really it's at or below 1300, but
Okay.
you know, the closer to that 1300 we are, we've got more options if we have
Okay, we're at 13 again.
failure of some kind.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll usually start a slow descent somewhere after the Home Depot parking lot here.
Right. All right.